Hello everybody, welcome to Viveka's How To channel. Today we will see how to clean black color plastic parts of vehicles. It could be two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Over a period of time with exposure to dirt, water and sunlight, the black colored body parts of vehicles start looking grey, dusty or somewhat whitish as you can see in the picture. Usually when you give it to service, they may use old engine oil and spray or some dashboard shiner spray. But after few days you observe that it has become grayish again. So you end up paying again. For mildly affected parts you can use oil or some dashboard shiner, that's fine. But body parts which are too old or heavily affected, there is a simple tip for cleaning such parts. Step 1. Take a few spoons of fine sand and mix it with pinch of detergent powder and little water and make a paste. The more finer the sand it's better so that it does not scratch the surface. You can even grind coarse sand on cement floor by circling with a bigger stone. Then step 2. Take a wash basin brush or wide flat toothbrush. Dip the brush head into the paste and start rubbing vertically on a small portion of the plastic part. After few seconds or minutes of brushing, wash it with water or wipe it with wet cloth. Step 3. Take a dashboard shiner and spray it on the surface cleaned. If you don't have dashboard shiner, you can even use vegetable oil. But dashboard shiner gives you great results. Step 4. Wipe it with a good cotton cloth. Then, tada! You have a new looking vehicle.